Hey guys, Doug here, Delta Oscar Uniform Golf. The call sign is November 2, Whiskey Oscar Foxtrot, and wanted to do a little video on installing SDR Connect onto a Raspberry Pi. I've done a install on a Raspberry Pi 3. It works, but opening up more than one VRX, it gets a bit unstable. I've also did an install on my Raspberry Pi 5 with 8 gigs of RAM, and that worked fantastic. Even opening up all 10 VRXs, each one was smooth as can be. So the install we're going to do today is on a Raspberry Pi 4 with 8 gigs of RAM. So we're going to start by going to SDR Play's website. Come to the top here, software downloads, down to SDR Connect. Give it a moment. It takes and there we go. So we're going and we want to go to Linux ARM64 download. Click there. Click on this tab here, and it should start. Now it's unverified download. Click on that and click here where it says download unverified file, and it should be downloading. Let's see. Okay, we are done. We can close out of this. Okay, so we want to open up the download folder. We want to take this, drag it over to our desktop here, close out of this, bring up a terminal window here. So now what we need to do is change the directory to the desktop. So what we're going to start off by doing is typing in cd desktop. There we go. Now we're going to do the list command. We're going to do ls, enter. Okay, so wide space, I don't know what that is, but we're just going to copy this section right here up to run. Go up to the top where edit, hit copy. Okay, we're going to come back down here. Now we're going to do the installer file. So we want to do chmod space 755 space, and then we want to paste what we copied. Hit enter. Okay, that's all good. Now we want to do dot backspace, and we want to paste the file name again. Hit enter. And now it's just basically you following the prompts. It'll ask you to view the license agreement. You just hit enter, and then from that point on, you just hit the space bar to continue through the whole thing. At the end, just hit yes for the install. Hit enter, and it's still doing the install. Like I said, from this point on, all you got to do is follow the prompts. It's not too difficult. Now, when it asks here installation location, just hit enter. That's all you have to do. Hit Y, yes. I think it's one more time. Yep, Y, yes. And that should be it. Just exit out of this. Go up here, and it should be under other, and there it is, SDR Connect installed. So bring it up, make sure it comes up. Give it a second. There it is. It's already recognizing my SDR RSP1A. Hit play to make sure it works, and let's see. And there it is. Works no problem. So I hope that helped you guys out. Hope you see it's quite easy to install, but play around with it, see what you can do. Like I said, the Raspberry Pi 5, it works fantastic. It works great on the Raspberry Pi 4. 3 is, I don't know, kind of hit and miss there. Take care, guys. 7-3. This is Doug, Delta Oscar Uniform Golf. And again, the call sign is November 2, Whiskey Oscar Foxtrot. 7-3.